633 17th Street. These are, I believe, Dover. Otis wanted by Dover. Oh, relay controlled. Yeah, that's a Dover mod. These are funky. Oh damn, look at these. What is this? Ah, fuck, we lost it. Ooh, we have a nice view though. Look at that. We have this one over here.
Going down.
Ooh, it's got the old voice. Old Otis. Let's go to 17. No, this might, I don't know. I like the old voice though. Now I gotta find a fucking bathroom. Look at this glamorous cab. I like it.
Floor 16. Going up.
Alright. Take 1 hour back up to 30. Oh, door closing, door opener on the top. That's interesting. These are funky.
Floor 30. Going down.
I love that voice. We need to face this way. All right, guys, well, here's the video. Just following the rules. Dual indicators. These are interesting. Those almost look like red Otis indicators. Oh, speaking of Otis, these were originally Lexan. But yeah, that's it.